Hello, we're going to do a little video here that's going to show you how to apply for leave. You're going to have to, the first thing that you're going to have to do is you're going to have to find the principal notes from the 1st of March, and you're going to have to find the part where it shows this web address. You're going to put your mouse here, you're going to click on it, and you're going to drag it until all of this is highlighted, like that. Then you're going to press the control button on your keyboard and press the mouse down once. It's going to bring up this screen, and you're going to go up to where it says copy, and you can let go of the control button now. You just press copy. All right, and the next thing you're going to do is you're going to have to find Firefox, because Firefox is the only web browser that works with Lawson, and Firefox does look like this guy down here. So if it's sitting on the dock down here at the bottom, you can go ahead and click on it. But a lot of times it's not on the dock. If it's not on the dock, here's how you find it. If you look at your keyboard and you can see the F4 button, which is right above the number 4, and it's got 6 boxes on it. So the icon that you're looking for is 6 little boxes, and the F4 button, you can just press that and you will get something that looks like this. So this is all of the programs that show up in this screen. You may have this little thing down here at the bottom where there's 2 little white dots, and that allows you to scroll between the 2 different screens that are there. The important thing that you're looking for is you are looking for Firefox. Okay, whoops. That is there we go. Firefox. This is what you want. And so all you have to do is click on it once, and that will launch it onto your screen. I have the website on my Firefox bookmarked so that I can find it. Bookmarking is something you can find out how to do. Otherwise, you get to go in here, and this is called the address window. Click in the address window, and you'll see that the cursor is blinking. And then you're going to hit Control, and you're going to press once, and then you're going to hit Paste. And you can let go of Control and hit Paste, and there we go. There is the website for Lawson. At the end of it, you can hit Return. So you just click to the end of that area, press Return, and it will launch the Lawson website. In here, you just type your username, which is E and your APS number. Okay, and then you hit the tab button, or you just click down here and you type in your password. Then you're going to hit login. When you log in, it's going to look like this. The most important part is you're going to find bookmarks over here, and you're going to click on bookmarks. You're not going to have manager self-service. You're just going to have employee self-service, and you're going to go to time off request or balances and click on that. When you do that, it's going to bring up this screen. It's going to show you all of your leave balances and how much time you have. And for the important thing to apply for leave is right down here, add request. Click on add request. Okay, we'll go over here. It brings up this little pop-up box, and you know, the type of leave. And the important thing is that you notice that there's a scrolling bar right here, and it shows you how many hours of leave you have in each one of these different leave areas. And you're going to scroll down. Most of the time, you're taking either professional leave, you're taking sick leave, or you're taking personal leave. Those are the 3 major types of leave that you take. The important one here, most people use sick leave, so let's practice that. I'm going to click on sick leave, and I'm going to click on continue. When I do that, it shows me how much time I have, how many hours I have, and then you're going to choose the day that you're going to have your need sick leave for. And it's important to note at this point that this has to be done at work. It can't be done from home. It does have to be done at work. So if you're calling in sick, that's a whole different matter. If you're really sick that morning and you need to call in sick. If you are, but importantly, this is for leave that you're doing for an appointment or you're planning on doing something and you need to take leave for it, this is how you apply for that leave. So let's say I'm applying for leave for April 5th. I click on April 5th and it's going to be the whole day. So you might need to click on here and you can choose again. This is more of a range, okay? So let's say you're going to be out April 5th and April 6th, having a big medical procedure done, and you know that's how many days you're going to need for recovery. So April 5th, and I'm going to end on April 6th. Okay, I just clicked on those and it fills them in. The little calendar helps that. It's going to probably ask you how many hours. You know how many days how many hours in your work hour. For me, I believe it's 8 hours a day, so it's 16 hours total. Boom, done. Comments. Medical procedure, or let's go back here and let's choose one date. So I'm going to choose a single day and it's April 5th. I can get rid of these now by just coming in here, hitting delete, coming in here, hitting delete. The important thing is if it's just a single day, it's going to ask for how many hours. So sometimes you have a single day, but you're not going to be out all day. You're going to need to miss an hour because you made your medical appointment and the latest that it could do it was 30 minutes before the end of your day. So you're missing 1 hour of time. It could be even a half a time, but you need the travel time. So let's say your medical appointment was supposed to be at 2:30. You took the medical appointment. You're going to need a half an hour to travel. So you might just put in 0.5. Okay. So you could put in for 0.5 hours on the 5th because you need a half an hour to travel to your medical appointment. That time is time off. You need to put it in, and now you're going to change this to medical appointment. That's it. That's all you have to do. Then you click submit, and it's put in. My approver is my boss. Your approver in here is going to say me, and then you're done.